If you're new to Amazon KDP Publishing and you'd like to publish your first book, then make sure you enroll in my free Amazon KDP Fast Track course. Now, this course is a wonderful way for you to learn the steps to get started with publishing on Amazon. Hello and welcome. My name is Romney and I'm the founder of Global Self-Publishing. I know what it was like when I was first in the process of learning those initial steps to publish successfully on Amazon KDP. It just seemed to be a huge amount of information that I was trying to absorb and work through, and I was getting bits of information from here and there, and I was searching on YouTube and I was grabbing other information. So therefore I decided to make things nice and streamlined for you and to have all of the information in sequential order so you can easily follow along. I've created a free 2-hour course called the Amazon KDP Fast Track course. Now, the Amazon KDP Fast Track course will have all of those initial steps, those important steps to help you to self-publish your books on Amazon KDP. Now, some of the topics include the business model of Amazon KDP. We're also looking at niche research and creating your book covers, all those important things that can sometimes feel very hard to get your head around. So I've tried to make this course as easy as I can in 2 hours so that you can sit down, watch the information, and then just go back and forth whenever you want to find that information. So when you go to my website at globalselfpublishing.com, you'll see a tab up the top saying self-publishing courses. You just need to click there, scroll down a little bit, and you'll see my free 2-hour course. You just need to click on the link, and then that will take you to a landing page, which you then need to enter your details through Thinkific. Now, there is a coupon code, and on the website, you'll see the coupon code. Just apply that. That will reduce the price to $0 and you can enroll for free. Now, this is for a limited time only, so I recommend that you get onto enrolling in the course so that you can start your journey to Amazon publishing. So there's obviously some great benefits of publishing books online with platforms like Amazon KDP. They allow you really to create your books and get them out to a global marketplace, which is fantastic. And go back a number of years, that just wasn't possible. But having someone like Amazon that takes care of all the distribution, any returns, customer concerns or issues, and you receive a author royalty payment, that's a great way of being able to create a digital resource which can then be turned into a paperback, hardback, an audiobook and an ebook version. So there are great things that you can do with Amazon. So the course will step you through those initial steps. It's not hugely comprehensive because I do have a 12-hour course which is far more comprehensive and covers everything, but this course will get you started. It'll get you going in the right way. It gets you start to thinking about the things that you need to consider when you do self-publish books. So that was my main priority, is to get those initial key steps out and underway. So I started my publishing back in 2019. I was publishing some no and low content books. I've also published some high content books, and I've also created ebooks and audiobooks of those books. So I've managed to be able to diversify my portfolio of books quite well. Probably in the last couple of years, I've been creating children's books like Archie the Bear, which I've spoken about on my YouTube channel before, created a series of books, and I've got different pen names that I publish my books under as well. And I've also published my books on Ingram Spark to provide that diversification. So Amazon's not the only place you can publish books. You can on other marketplaces like Ingram Spark or Draft Digital. But it just all depends on the kinds of books you're publishing and how you go about it as well. So if you do need more information, just make sure you check out the Amazon KDP Fast Track course, enroll for free. My website has got a wealth of information and resources there. There's other courses there. There's blog posts. There's different steps and templates you can use to publish successfully. So I've really tried to build something that is easily accessible, that allows you to get your journey started and to publish books on the major platforms across the world. So hopefully all that helps. I look forward to having you as a student in the KDP Fast Track course, and all the best with your publishing.